In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up CRM views for sales, support, and marketing in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a sales manager, a support lead, or a marketing professional, setting up customized views in your CRM is key to keeping your workflows organized and your team efficient. Stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive offer for you that will help you follow along with this tutorial for free. First, let's talk about why CRM views matter. Setting up CRM views gives your team the ability to focus on the data that's most important to them. For sales, it's about tracking leads and deals. For support, it's about prioritizing tickets and customer issues. And for marketing, it's about analyzing campaign performance. Tailoring views for each department makes workflows smoother and ensures your team isn't wasting time digging through irrelevant information. Let's dive into how to set up CRM views for each of these departments, starting with sales. In your CRM, go to the Deals or Pipeline section. You'll want to create views that reflect the stages of your sales process. A typical sales pipeline could include stages like lead, qualified, proposal, and closed. You can add filters so only the deals at a specific stage show up, helping your sales team focus on what needs their attention. You can also add columns like the deal value, expected close date, or account owner to keep everyone aligned. For support teams, the focus is on customer tickets. In your CRM, go to the Tickets or Cases section and create views for open, high priority, and overdue tickets. You can also add filters for things like ticket type, assigned support agent, and customer urgency. For example, you could have a view for urgent tickets that only shows tickets marked as critical and assigned to your highest rated support agents. This ensures no important issues fall through the cracks and that support teams are staying on top of customer needs. For marketing teams, CRM views are all about tracking campaigns and contacts. You'll want views that give you insight into campaign performance and lead activity. In your CRM, head to the Contacts or Campaigns section and filter your view based on activity, such as leads from last campaign or engaged contacts. For instance, a marketing team might need a view that shows all contacts who opened an email within the last 24 hours. This can help with timely follow-ups and optimizing campaign effectiveness. Now, for all of this to be effective, remember that CRM views should be simple and relevant to each team. Don't overcomplicate it with too many filters or columns. Focus on what's most useful for the team in each scenario. Quick tip: make sure to save these views so they're easily accessible every time your team logs in. This way, they won't have to redo their filters each time, and they'll always know where to find the most important data. Now, before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. The real power of CRM views comes from customizing them to fit the unique needs of your sales, support, and marketing teams. By doing this, you'll save time, stay focused, and make your processes more efficient. To recap: 1. Sales teams need views that track their deals and pipeline stages. 2. Support teams need views that prioritize tickets by urgency. 3. Marketing teams need views to track campaign performance and leads. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with this tutorial using a CRM that fits all of these needs, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.